Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clear Instagram cache. So the steps depend on whether you're using your Android or iPhone. So on iPhone, iOS doesn't provide a clear cache button for individual apps. So to clear Instagram cache, you can open your phone settings. Now scroll down and go to General. Then in here, go to iPhone storage. Then in here, scroll down and select Instagram. Next, tap Offload app. So this keeps your documents and data. Then reinstall it. So click Offload app to confirm the action. Or you can tap Delete app, then reinstall it from the App Store. So once reinstall app appears, click on that. So reinstalling the app will place back your data. So wait for it to finish. So this clear the app's cache files. Now, if you're using Android, you can open your phone settings, then go to apps or apps and notifications, then select Instagram and tap storage or storage and cache. Then just tap clear cache. So this removes temporary files but keeps your account, photos, messages, and settings intact. If you tap clear data, you'll need to log in again. So if you only want to clear Instagram's in-app browser cache, so you can open Instagram, then open any link in Instagram's browser, then tap the browser menu and choose clear cookies and cache. So once this is done, go ahead and open Instagram and use it as usual. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.